We've had 13 rounds of negotiations, and we got a handshake last Friday that is really sort of an empty handshake. The list of issues has been narrowed significantly. The president flinched for the second time on this latest round of tariff increases. They're originally October 1, pushed them October 15th, which is tomorrow, and then now they're off again. And what do we get in response? We got China to say they want to buy some agricultural goods. They always want to do that. They said they wanted to reform their currency structure, and there's no real need to do that because they've stopped manipulating the currency a long time ago. And they said they wanted to reform and open up financial services, which is something they've wanted to do for a long time. So we gave, they didn't, and it's back to another round of negotiations.
So would you have preferred to see the tariff hikes go into effect in October?
No, I'm an anti-tariff person. I would prefer to see them all removed and we get back to a more constructive framework of engagement and negotiation, but that's obviously not what's going to happen. The strategy that we've had is to try to solve our macroeconomic imbalances, which has given rise to trade deficits with over 100 countries, by fixating on one, China. And in the meantime, we're not addressing the macro problems we have in the United States that have given rise to this multi-country, multilateral trade deficit.
Long term, Stephen, might this actually help China? Might it get them to address where their strengths and weaknesses are? And if it doesn't come to a major deal with the US getting concessions, will this actually help China in the long term?
Look, well, China's got a lot of problems on its plate that it's addressing, and the trade relationship with the United States is certainly a problem, but all sorts of issues from excess debt to reforming state-owned enterprises to environmental degradation to income inequality to shifting the structure of the model to consumption. This is a huge agenda for any country. We have our agenda, and my sense is that we both need to pay attention to what we need to do to strengthen ourselves. And so when we engage the other, we engage from a position of strength, not from a position of weakness, which is unfortunately what we're doing right now in the United States.